I'm Jaspreet Kaur and welcome to my channel. And today I'm gonna show you how you can make a bootable pen drive in 3 easy steps. We will be using an ISO image of Ubuntu, which is a Linux OS. And why Linux? Because it's super easy to install and it's more secure. Yes, so let's get started. The first thing you need is an ISO image of Ubuntu. So go to your browser and search for Ubuntu image download. 18.4 is the version that I'm using. You can go with 20.4. It's the latest one. Click on search and you can go to releases.ubuntu.com. Over here you can see the 64-bit desktop image. Click on that. Once you click on it, your download will begin. So I have it here. Next thing you need is a USB installer. So search for Universal USB installer. Go to pendrivelinux.com, the first link over here. This site will open. Scroll down, click on the download button. Once it's downloaded, right click on it, run as administrator. Click on I agree. From the drop down menu, choose Ubuntu, as we are going for Ubuntu. Browse for the ISO image. Choose the one that you have downloaded right now. Open it. Click on show all drives and here select the USB drive that you want to make bootable. Make sure you're selecting the correct USB. Create. Yes. And now the process has started. Wait for a while till you get 100% completion message. Your process is complete and your bootable pen drive is ready.